At Apple, we believe privacy is a fundamental human right, so we build it into our products from the beginning of the design process. Privacy matters now more than ever, and because our devices contain our most sensitive information, all of our product work is grounded in a set of privacy principles. First, data minimization. We use innovative technologies and techniques to minimize the personal data we or anyone else can access. Second, on-device intelligence. We avoid data collection by processing as much of your information on your device as we can, rather than sending it to a server. Third, security. Security protections are foundational to everything we do in privacy. And finally, transparency and control. It helps you better understand the data being collected so that you can make your own choices about how that data is used. These principles come together across our products, in our hardware, our software, and our services. At the end of the day, they result in great privacy and great ease of use. A powerful example of this is Sign In with Apple, which is designed for simplicity, security, and privacy. And since we launched it last year, users have created over 200 million accounts across a wide variety of apps and websites. And developers are seeing great usage when they adopt it. For example, Kayak has integrated Sign In with Apple and found that their users are now 2 times more likely to use it than any other sign-in provider. Now, one thing we hear a lot with Sign In with Apple is that people wish they could convert their existing accounts to use it. So this year, we're going to enable developers to let you do just that. When you upgrade, you get the ease of use and built-in security of Sign In with Apple while keeping the account that you already have. This is another big year of privacy improvements in our products. And to tell you more, here's Katie Skinner and Eric Neuenschwander.
Thanks, Craig. First, let's talk about location. This year, we're continuing to give you even more control. In addition to the option of sharing your precise location, you'll have the option to only share your approximate location with apps.
We're also making changes for mic and camera, so you always know when you're recording. In addition to requiring your permission this year, we're adding more visibility for current or recent mic or camera use. So if an app uses either one, we'll indicate that in the status bar.
Next, let's talk about tracking. Safari's intelligent tracking prevention has been really successful on the web. And this year, we wanted to help you with tracking in apps. We believe tracking should always be transparent and under your control. So moving forward, App Store policy will require apps to ask before tracking you across apps and websites owned by other companies.
Last, let's talk about app privacy. Today, we require that apps have a privacy policy. Wouldn't it be great to even more quickly and easily see a summary of an app's privacy practices before you download it? Now, where have we seen something like that before? For food, you have nutrition labels. You can see if it's packed with protein or loaded with sugar, or maybe both, all before you buy it. So we thought it would be great to have something similar for apps. We're going to require each developer to self-report their practices.
We'll show you what they tell us. You can see if a developer is collecting a little bit of data on you or a lot of data, or if they're sharing data with other companies to track you, and much more.
We're going to put this information on product pages in the App Store. So for each app, you can see highlights of their privacy information before you download it. And we're going to include this in all of our app stores.